Hi everyone, this is an unboxing of the cordless Hercules corded work light. I haven't seen any videos on this at all, that's why I thought I'd make one. I bought this yesterday. Right now the price is $32.99 on it. And yeah, take a look. So there's how it plugs out. I don't see a cord for it inside the box. I do have a couple batteries. Let's try this one. It's 5H. Press on and off there. And this thing is different. This thing is like a dial on the top, which dims it to what you want. Let's see how it actually shuts the lights off. I got this because I'm working on my in-laws. All my in-laws passed away, so we inherited a house trying to work on the power. It's been sitting for so long. The power company took the power lines down, so we work on a house of cordless. This is what we bought this for. I don't know if I have a cord. Let me look. Okay, well, I found this. Maybe it won't fit. Oh, that's not the right one. Okay, here's one. There we go. Plug that in. Seems pretty solid. Big giant battery, 12H. These are really big. They're really heavy too. That will probably, yeah. It's probably too heavy. But that one too. watching.